Did you know there are hidden laws that govern success and wealth? These laws are so powerful that they can completely transform your financial, mental, and emotional life. They were applied by the wisest man in history, King Solomon, and today I will share 3 of them with you. No matter where you are right now, whether you're starting your career, building a business, or just searching for answers, these lessons could be the turning point in your journey to success. Stay with me until the end, because the 3rd law is the most powerful yet the most ignored by most people. King Solomon was one of the greatest leaders the world has ever seen. He amassed immeasurable wealth and ruled with wisdom and justice. But perhaps his greatest contribution wasn't the gold he possessed. It was the timeless principles he left behind. He showed us that success isn't an accident, but the result of habits, mindsets, and decisions aligned with universal principles. And here's the most important part. You don't have to be a king to use these laws. They're accessible to anyone willing to apply them consistently. Let's start with the first law, which I call intentional wisdom. Solomon said, "By wisdom, a house is built, and through understanding, it is established." This means that the foundation for achieving any goal is knowledge, but not just any knowledge. It's the kind of knowledge that is sought with intention and directed toward a clear purpose. For example, if you want to build a successful career or prosperous business, you need to study your market, understand trends, and develop specific skills. Think about someone who dedicates just 30 minutes a day to learning something new in their field of interest. In 6 months, that person will have acquired knowledge that puts them ahead of 90% of their competitors. Solomon teaches us that seeking wisdom isn't optional. It's essential. And the best part is that today, we have access to a world of information for free. Books, podcasts, online videos, and courses. All of this is within your reach. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't lies in the decision to use or ignore these opportunities. The second law Solomon teaches us is about disciplined consistency. He said, "The diligent hand will rule, but laziness ends in forced labor." This is powerful because it shows that success doesn't come from a single grand effort, but from small, consistent steps taken every day. Consistency is what transforms dreams into reality. Imagine you want to save money to invest in a business. Instead of waiting to earn a large amount all at once, you could start by saving small portions regularly. It may seem insignificant at first, but over time, these efforts add up and create a huge impact. The same applies to skills. Dedicating yourself every day to improving just a little creates a domino effect that leads to success. A practical example of this is someone who wants to learn a new language to expand their career opportunities. By studying for just 20 minutes daily, within a year, they could reach an intermediate level. It's not the intensity of the effort that brings results, but the consistency with which it is applied. Solomon knew this and taught us that diligence is the path to true freedom and prosperity. Now we come to the 3rd law, and as promised, it's the most powerful and least known, the abundance mindset. Solomon said, "As a man thinks in his heart, so is he." This phrase carries a transformative truth. It teaches us that what you believe about yourself and the world directly shapes your actions and results. If you believe the world is full of opportunities and that there's room for everyone to grow, your decisions will reflect that. You will take more risks, collaborate with others, and seize the chances that come your way. On the other hand, if your mindset is one of scarcity, if you believe there isn't enough for everyone, you'll act out of fear and limit your own possibilities. Think of someone starting a business. If they adopt an abundance mindset, they'll see competition as an opportunity to learn and improve rather than a reason to give up. This perspective will lead them to build partnerships, seek innovation, and eventually grow. The abundance mindset is the key to opening doors that seem locked. But how do you develop this mindset? The first step is to change your internal dialogue. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," or "this isn't for me," start affirming, "I am capable and I deserve success." Additionally, surround yourself with people who share this positive vision. The energy of those around you directly influences your mindset. Now that you know these 3 laws, intentional wisdom, discipline, consistency, and the abundance mindset, I want you to take a moment and reflect. Which of these are you already applying in your life? Which one do you need to start practicing today? Here's the secret. These laws don't work in isolation. They're like the gears of a machine. When you apply all three together, you create an unstoppable force that propels you toward success. Seeking knowledge intentionally, acting consistently, and adopting an abundance mindset are the foundations for turning any dream into reality. Before we finish, I want you to imagine how different your life could be in 6 months if you started applying these laws now. Imagine having more clarity about your goals, building habits that bring you closer to success, and cultivating a mindset that attracts opportunities. That future is within your reach, but it depends on the choices you make today. If this content was valuable to you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share it with someone who needs to hear these truths. Together, we can build a world where more people live up to the potential Solomon knew we all have. Success begins with a decision. Make the right choice and start today. See you in the next video.